Good afternoon. We consist of me, Christine Yolanda, Rina Rindi Antika, Mia Dwi Sartika, Sinta Aulia, and Sumiati. Who will present the journal review? First, I will explain to you the basis information. Number 1, author Fatul Ahmad Syamsul Arifin, Tantri Yanuar Rahmatsyah, Rian Indradewa, and Semardanta Pusaka. 2, sales and marketing strategies Dark Nugget product using Porter Fight Forces and SWOT analysis. 3, internet. 4, Journal of Multidisciplinary Academic Poultry. Number 4, page 17.1 to 17.5. There is problem issue in the journal that is about marketing strategies of the nugget product by SWOT analysis. 6. There is aim of the journal, approve method and measure funding base of the journal. Abstract. Number 1, I think the title is right too, because in the abstract it is stated the population in Indonesia which continue to increase every year affect the growth of the food industry in Indonesia which develops gradually every year. 3. I think the article is specific because it lists what methods were used in conducting the research. 4. Here the food in the industry produces a variety of products and as cooked food, processed food in the form of the frozen food.
Next is introduction or background. Frozen food business is favorable and prospective in Indonesia. There are many how manufacturers gain profit from the frozen food industry. It is proved by the number of frozen food business growing rapidly strengthened by the sales of their products. However, there are frozen food companies that made a loss such as poor marketing strategy and unimproved service quality. Next. Here, frozen food business in making itself stand out of other competitors to determine by a correct marketing strategy and good bond with the customers like responsive interest and concern by achieving customer satisfaction. The main goal in conducting of frozen food business is depend on every business person who have a role in industry, including aware customer happiness also attract a new potential customers. The happiness customer will be telling to others person about customer experience when using a product or service. Based on the statistical data of 2018, the most effective marketing plan is the social media marketing. The social media marketing is a best tactic is at 18% on the top list compared with other marketing tactics. Next. Literature review. Indonesian government has cut the income tax final tariff PPH for every business person who runs the small and medium enterprise from 1% to 0.5%, which is based on the government regulation. PP number 23 in 2018 about income tax of the earned income made by the taxpayer that contains of receive gross income as the replacement of the prior government rule number 46 in 2013. The update rule has been made effective since July 1, 2018. Over tax reduction is good news for business person as they will plan to develop their business. It also indicates that there is a real support from the government in order to maintain the economic sector in Indonesia.
Five hence PT Bivindo Food create a new innovation by producing nuggets with duck's meat as its main ingredients as the alternative to others nuggets product to enable the duck's meat lovers to enjoy our duck's nugget. 6. The new variants with the increasing number of meat consumption in domestic level, specifically in several regions of Indonesia, indicates that the price is not a crucial matter. 7. Overall evaluation of literature section about the how to selling ducks nugget based SWOT analysis in the market, and there is the solution offer from the journal. Next. Methodology. Number 1, in this study, we use Porter's 5 force analysis methods and SWOT analysis. 2, that is appropriate investigates any factual information that need to be taken into consideration which is relates to the frozen food business. 3. Design of the research growth of the frozen food sales in the market is expected to be the business opportunity for PT Bivindo Food to product a nugget with manufacturers duck as its main ingredients. 4. The first is the analysis take of duck's product in the field for making nuggets. Then do a SWOT analysis. The next step is to apply the internal-external metrics. The next step is to continue product development, which is implemented in the production of another variant of duck and flavored duck's nugget. After the company determines the strategy to be implemented, the positioning that is expected to be built by the company is duck's nugget, duck and sweat is appetizing. Furthermore, the company uses the perpetual map to find out the company's position in the instant frozen food industry. 5. The sample size with a Ziploc seal model. Next. Six, the instrument uses external factor valuation, total AVA 2.8 and total AVA 2.76. The next step is to apply the internal external matrix. AVA and AVA scores are category into strong 3 point until 4 point, moderate 2 point until 299, and weak 1 point until and 199. The scores abstinent shows that PT Bivindo Food in quadrant 5. 7. The overall of the method uses advertisement wrap on the company car which travel around Jakarta, Bogor, Tangerang, and Depok regularly to promote the duck's nugget.
Result or findings. First, the analysis result of competitive profile metrics of the nugget business tell us that PT Bivindo Food can compete effectively with other brands of similar company that have been known in public. Second, the reason of that is the duck nugget by PT Bivindo Food over high quality product that is implemented in its Ziploc packaging and attractive logo. Third, in addition, this competitive strive can be observed through a marketing process of the product. Fourth, PT Bevindo Food is not only apply direct selling to the customer, but also implements the key driver in sales marketing strategies that consist of sales effectiveness, definers, shapers, and listeners, exciters, and controllers. Next. Five, the sales effectiveness drivers determines which system and which program that needs to be carried on. The system and the program cover several activities like sales and sales strategy, recruiting, learning, and development, culture organization, and customer relationship management. Six, the figure 5 show depict the field covered in sales effectiveness drivers. Next. Discussion. First, PT Bevindo Food has set a sales strategies plan that is divided into 3 strategies such as pessimistic sales, normal sales, and optimistic sales. Second, the sales plan also includes the period of time in which any of the 3 strategies might occur. Third, the period of time here is divided into short-term, mid-term, and long-term. The customer relation management that is built by PT Bevindo Food. Fourth, aim to create a public relation that will promote the Duck Nugget product by means of salespeople who promote the product in Car Free Day event or other promotion activities directly to the future customer. 5. Then the build mutual relation with the customer through social media as the means of communication.
Concluding remarks, PT Bevindo Food offer the benefit for its segmented customer. The ads folio depicts the advance of the product that is promoted by the company. First, the production results in an innovative product, which Asing Duck Nugget has the main ingredient. The taste of the duck meat nugget is appraising finger-liking good texture. Product packaging is protected by GPAT lock system. Product contains of mineral and vitamin, including vitamin B12 and vitamin B6 to product energy inside the human body. The probability to penetrate the market is the basic to run a nugget business. In addition, the market strategies of the Bevindo Food include the cooperation with other major companies, the interaction with every distribution channel, and the interaction with the customer. These activities are aimed to improve the sales marketing of the PT Bevindo Food. As the company is not only sell the product to the other companies or the customer directly, but also maintains its product quality and create new innovations in developing the product. All the activities related to the sales and marketing are the implementation of PT Bevindo Food strategies. So many presentation of group and thank you.